What if I told you that building a strong financial foundation isn't just about saving, but about strategically setting up systems that protect your wealth from inflation and rising costs? In 2026, the traditional notion of saving money is outdated. To truly thrive financially, you need to build resilience into your financial life from the start, leveraging automation and strategic protection. It's about securing your future in a way that outpaces the economic shifts we face today. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 ways to build a strong financial foundation from scratch in 2026. These techniques will not only help you stabilize your financial situation but also allow you to build wealth over time. Stick around until the end, where I'll provide you with a simple method to track your progress and ensure you stay on the right path. 1. Establish a starter safety net immediately. The first step in building a solid financial foundation is to set up a starter emergency fund. This fund doesn't need to be large but should be sufficient to cover unexpected expenses without relying on high-interest debt. Ideally, this amount should range from $1,000 to $2,000, which is a manageable goal for most people to reach quickly. The purpose of this fund is simple: to keep you out of crisis mode and prevent the need to take on high-interest debt when an unexpected bill or expense arises. In 2026, you don't have to worry about keeping this money in a low-interest savings account. Instead, look for a high-yield savings account, HYSA, which offers a competitive annual percentage yield, APY. This way, your emergency fund not only remains easily accessible but also grows slightly as you keep it there, working for you in a way that a traditional savings account wouldn't. With inflation remaining a constant challenge in 2026, a HYSA provides the additional benefit of helping your funds outpace the rising cost of living. It's not just about having a safety net, it's about making sure that safety net grows at a pace that keeps up with or exceeds inflation. Having a starter safety net gives you a sense of security and peace of mind. It provides a cushion to rely on in case something unexpected happens, like a car repair or an urgent medical expense. More importantly, it serves as the first step toward building more long-term financial security, allowing you to move from a place of constant worry to one of proactive financial management. Beyond just being a financial safety net, the Starter Emergency Fund gives you the freedom to make financial decisions without the overwhelming pressure of needing to cover every unexpected cost immediately. It can also reduce stress when major life changes occur, like job loss or a health crisis, because you're no longer immediately threatened by these events. The fund allows you to handle surprises with confidence, knowing you have a financial buffer to lean on. As you continue to build your financial foundation, this emergency fund will remain a cornerstone of your strategy, enabling you to pivot and make smarter choices in the face of unexpected financial demands. By starting with this essential building block, you're positioning yourself for success in a world of economic uncertainty. 2. Audit your cash flow reality. Once you have your emergency fund set up, it's time to assess where your money is going. This means taking a deep dive into your cash flow and understanding exactly how much you earn and how much you spend. By writing down every single expense, no matter how small, you can gain a clearer picture of your financial reality. You may be surprised to see how much you're spending on unnecessary subscriptions, high convenience fees, or even duplicate insurance coverage. By identifying these spending leaks, you can free up extra money that can be used to build savings or pay down debt. The next step is to create a budget that reflects your current reality. In 2026, the 50/30/20 rule is still a great place to start. This rule suggests that 50% of your income should go to necessities such as rent, utilities, and food, 30% to wants like entertainment and dining out, and 20% should be allocated to savings and debt repayment. Once you have this framework in place, you'll be able to live within your means while still prioritizing saving. The key is to make sure that you're conscious of your spending and regularly audit your cash flow to stay on track. This doesn't mean restricting yourself too much, but simply being aware of your financial habits and adjusting them when necessary to ensure your long-term financial well-being. 3. Aggressively eliminate wealth killers. One of the biggest threats to your financial foundation is high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, and other high-interest financial products can quickly erode your wealth, as the interest charges accumulate faster than you can pay off the balance. In 2026, it's crucial to prioritize paying off these types of debt first, as they represent one of the most damaging financial traps that can prevent you from building wealth. To effectively eliminate high-interest debt, consider using either the debt avalanche method or the snowball method. The debt avalanche method involves paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, which saves you money in interest payments over time. The snowball method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the smallest balance first, giving you psychological momentum as you see your debts disappearing one by one. Regardless of which method you choose, the key is to make paying off high-interest debt a top priority. This will not only free up money for saving and investing but also relieve the financial stress that comes with carrying debt. While you're paying down debt, avoid taking on any new high-interest debt. Focus on living within your means and only using credit when it makes sense, such as for emergencies or large purchases that you can pay off quickly. 4. Automate your future self-payments. In 2026, the best way to ensure that you're building wealth is to treat savings and investments as fixed expenses. This means setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck directly into a retirement or brokerage account. The idea is to automate the process so that saving becomes effortless, and you don't have to think about it every month. Even small contributions, like $50 a month, can have a significant impact over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is why it's crucial to make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial life from the beginning. Automation is your friend when it comes to building wealth. By setting up automatic transfers, you ensure that you're prioritizing your future self and not waiting until the end of the month to see what's left over. It also eliminates the temptation to spend money that you might otherwise save. Over time, these small, consistent contributions will add up, and you'll be on your way to building a solid financial foundation that will serve you for years to come. 5. Protect your earning machine. Your income is your most valuable asset, so it's essential to protect it at all costs. This means ensuring that you have the right health, life, and disability insurance in place to safeguard your earning potential in case of an emergency. Medical crises can quickly drain any financial progress you've made, so having appropriate insurance coverage is critical. Additionally, make sure to document your medical preferences and have a will in place to protect your assets and ensure that your loved ones are taken care of in case something happens. These protections provide long-term security and prevent financial setbacks that can derail your foundation. Finally, continuously invest in upskilling and career development to increase your primary income. The more you invest in yourself, the greater the return you'll get in terms of higher income potential. Whether it's taking a course, getting a certification, or learning new skills, increasing your earning power is one of the most powerful ways to fuel your financial foundation. By enhancing your skill set, you ensure that your income remains stable and can support your financial goals in the future. There you have it, the top 5 ways to build a strong financial foundation from scratch in 2026. From creating a starter safety net to protecting your earning potential, these strategies will set you on the path to long-term financial security and wealth. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building and maintaining a solid financial foundation. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to implement first, and I'll see you in the next video.